But now we're in the world of agentic AI, right? So that's reimagining how work gets done. So if I take for example, in my space, a very simple example, developing a new software product, right? And I think this applies across many different industries, etc. In the past, you'd sit down and you'd define your requirements, and the project manager might bring in a UX designer and a business analyst and talk to the stakeholders. They potentially go and develop an MVP and follow kind of an agile methodology to work through their backlog and a way to go. And they'd have their team of testers and, developers and UI folks, etc. And then they start engaging, well, how do I build the infrastructure around this to meet my testing and my production? So working with, cloud providers or whatever, and then, pulling it all together, right? In this agentic AI, somebody, and be it the project manager or the product manager, can interface with a single assistant and say, my client wants this product to do this, this, and this. It needs to be double byte enabled so we can translate it into, XY languages. It needs to be this level, of compliance, meet this regulatory standard, go build it for me, right? And in the background, that assistant is integrating and calling on different agents and assistants to go and plug in with back-end tools and systems and produce that end-to-end product.